The sour taste of climate change, kimchi's battle for survival. South Korea's iconic kimchi is under threat from climate change, which is affecting Napa cabbage, the key ingredient in making kimchi. Traditionally grown in cool mountain areas, Napa cabbage thrives between 18 to 21 degrees Celsius. However, rising temperatures, which once rose above 25 degrees Celsius, are making it harder to grow the crop. This situation raises concerns that South Korea may one day struggle to produce kimchi. The higher heat causes cabbage to rot, affecting both commercial and home kimchi makers. Researchers are working to develop cabbage varieties that can tolerate extreme weather. However, many worry that these new crops may be expensive and lack the traditional flavor essential for kimchi. Studies revealed that the cabbage farming area has already halved over the past 20 years and may disappear by 2090. Along with rising temperatures, an increase in pests and diseases is further complicating farming. Worse still, the industry is also facing competition from cheaper Chinese imports, commonly used in restaurants. This foreign competition, combined with the challenges from climate change, may reshape South Korea's kimchi production in the coming decades.
Vocabulary and phrases. Under threat. Ingredient. Thrive. Researcher. Researcher. Tolerate. Essential. Pest. Complicate. Worse still. Competition.
智慧小补帖
Iconic. Kimchi. Have.